Can you guys see me, hear me, or smell me? Twitch Raids Twitch, thank you for the host, Twitch Raids Twitch. What the? Hello, I'm back, I'm here. OBS just, you know, plooped on us. But we're back. We're all good. But yeah, Damage, I'm totally fine with everyone having their own bots early on. Because it's totally cool.
Fish out of water now.
Twitch Raids Twitch, thank you for that host. Thank you very much. Generator's back online. Hey, Ultra Uber, what's up, dude? Long time no see. How's it going? Good to have you back. Good to have you back, dude. You know you were missed. Hope you know you were missed around here. We are failing at trying to make a reasonable Chewbacca right now. In case you wanted to come see that happen. So yeah, like I was saying before, I'm fine with everybody bringing their bots. Because I want everyone to learn how to use their bots. But you know, as long as, again, everyone asks for permission before they fire up their bots, which I think everyone has been doing. Which is great. And then ultimately, you know, as the channel keeps getting larger, we'll have to replace them with my own bots. So I can control them when you guys can't be around. Ultra, I'm good, man. I'm good. The game's going well. We're working on single player today. Night Vision, Darth Maul. Yeah, hopefully in the future. Awesome. Chewie just needs to be more poofy. Poofy is so hard with pixels, but I know you're right, though. I know you're right. I don't even know what that brown is supposed to be. I just try to make him furrier, I guess. Shiwaka, tablet or mouse, whichever one you have. I use both. I prefer tablet. 0 viewers, RIP. Well, it's because the OBS just crashed. I'm not sure if it was Twitch or if it was OBS, but something crashed. And that's probably why it says we have 0 viewers. Now it says we have 11. Hello, 11 viewers. Good to have you here. Damage Wallet, you already have permission. Yeah, you already have permission to launch your bot, man. Also, you're a mod, so that's totally different. Well, the only part of the bot, of Damage Bot that I don't like that much is the roulette bot. But I actually had a really cool idea I want to talk to you about with that. Lilia, you finished your gift art. Hell yeah, if it's fan art, you can absolutely post links. Mercury, yeah, sometimes, I don't know why that happens. I'm not 100% sure yet why sometimes it crashes a lot. Someone sent me a really great OBS article about it. I'll try to find it to link to you. What? What? Hold on. I need to stop the music right now. Holy shit. Am I wireless? I am on wireless. I should go on LAN. The thing is, I don't think my house even has the LAN set up. But before we talk about that, we need to just talk about this fan art here by Lilia, who is also, if you guys don't know, a creative streamer who hangs out in chat. I believe we rated her yesterday. Brenner, no, I hate the kill bot. Sorry, I said it wrong. I said it wrong. I love the roulette bot. I hate the kill bot. This is Lilia. Yeah, the streamer we rated yesterday. Check this out, guys. Oh my gosh, how sick is that? That is going right into the fan art folder right now. Right into the fan art folder. And in case you guys know how the fan art folder works, it rotates. You can see right here. Here's some fan art done right now. It rotates on my desktop every 5 minutes. Different fan art by you. Awesome, awesome, awesome Quasi TV viewers. Thank you so much, Lilia. This is so good, so good, so good. Let me get the music back. But yeah, Damage Bot. I was saying, yeah, you have total permission to launch your bot whenever because you're a mod. As long as we're using your bot. I really don't like the kill thing in the bot because I think it gets spammed a lot in chat. But I think the roulette thing is really funny. I think the roulette thing is kind of a better version of the kill because the kill just gets spammed and everyone just keeps killing each other and it kind of fills up the chat really quickly. But the roulette thing is absolutely hilarious. I love that one. Wild Products, can we get an Adventure Time Skyhook mashup Wally with the adventures of Jake and Finn? Oh my gosh, imagine. Imagine. It does look really sick. Made your day. Lilia, screw making your day. You made my day. Are you kidding me? You just did fan art. Guys, I never even imagined getting fan art, and I've been getting so many from all of you awesome peoples. So Lilia, thank you for making my day. Chewbacca, we're trying to make you, but you look like crap. We don't know what to do. And we need to work on our game instead of trying to draw you. Shiwako, you always imagine Finn to be left shark. That's interesting that you would say something like that, because when the left shark incident happened last year, I tweeted this. As soon as the left shark incident happened, I ran, not last year, what, 2 years ago or whatever, I ran onto my computer, I pulled up Photoshop, and I created this image, and I tweeted it out. So if you ever search left shark Skyhook, it is the third image in Google Images. Hey, Rizzoli, welcome to the crew. Thanks for the follow. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, thanks, Lilia. Yeah, guys, if you haven't already, follow Lilia because she is a crazy, crazy, crazy talented artist. And I'm so glad we raided her yesterday. Okay, his hands don't make any sense, I guess. What I love about that raid was Lilia was just like, what is happening right now? What is a raid? Like, I don't think you had any idea what was going on, right? And that can always turn out either really great or really, really poorly. You thought you were getting trolled, yeah. The dark brown needs to be darker weapon. Chewbacca, man. Chewbacca is hard. Shiwako, you're beginning to be an indie developer. Very cool. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. You're learning pixel art. Do you have any tips? Thanks, Maritaria. I think it might, or I think it's learn pixel art actually. I'm gonna beat you guys to it. There we go. Alright guys, I'm calling it on Chewy because maybe we'll revisit him one day in the future, but I cannot keep working on him right now. He's killing me. He's killing me. Guys, thank you for following Lilia. She is awesome. Alright, we're gonna put Chewy next to Solo. And we're totally running out of space. Oh no, I merged it! I did not want to merge it yet. Let's move the bots over. The bots. The droids. Merge these things. Okay. So what can we do? What can we do? We can move some of the episode 1 guys. Because then we're gonna have to start creating a new row soon. I think what we'll do this based on is, I think we'll just move these guys because they don't quite belong here. These guys don't like belong yet. Oh. So we're gonna put them. I guess we'll leave them up there. Just gonna move them over. Alright, there we go. Warm-up pixel segment done, guys. Ultra Uber, 2D versus 3D, what is harder? Programming in 3D is harder than 2D. Iteration in 3D is harder than in 2D. Animation is technically easier in 3D, but they're both really challenging. Rigging is harder. Changing your mind about how a character looks is much harder in 3D. Um, so I guess 2D is technically easier. Oh, Zebo Cobra, I love you, man. I love you. Oh man, so many people, guys. I love to do this. This is my favorite part of the Friday streams. Can we drop where everybody is from right now? Can we drop where where everyone is hailing from? I'm gonna drop New York right here. I'm from New York. Where are you guys all from? I love to see the huge range of people we have from all over the world. Jupiter, Puerto Rico, that is sweet. Michigan, nice. Illinois, UK, okay. Netherlands, Toronto, Canada, Missouri, Dayton, Ohio, Poland, Sweden, Massachusetts, Sweden, Stockholm, Chicago, France, UK, Australia, Hungary, holy shit, Mississippi, Sussex, Croatia, Montenegro, Portland, classify, damage Val, Lithuania, Massachusetts, England, Somerset, Frome, Michigan. You guys are crazy. All the places. Wow. Isn't that amazing? I love seeing that. I love seeing that when we all talk about where we're from. Oh my gosh. Happening Carpets, you're in New York too? Cool, man. Very cool. Very cool. Wow. All over the world. All over the world. Quasi TV, all over the world, guys. All right. Calling it on our warm-up pixels. Don't need a reference anymore. We finally did Stormtroopers. You guys can leave me alone about that. Although I'm realizing he's 1 pixel too far forward. There we go. Alright, let's make a game. If you guys haven't seen this game before, as always, we'll start with a very quick Twitch Plays Skyhooks match. Here we go. Oh, that's not it. Oh, there we go. My Unity's lagging. I might need to restart it after this match. You drop my Cintiq cam. We don't need that while I'm coding. Oh, nice, Toja. Game. You thought this was a pixel art stream. Nice, nice, nice. I see you. I see you, Toja. I see you. I see you. It could be a pixel art stream. That's hard. There's like so many things I want to do on stream, and it's so hard because I want to do pixel art, and then I want to draw cartoons, and then I want to make my game.
Nothing like a good workout.
Got you like a fish out of water now. Meat bags. Stay out of me way.
Oh no, not lava. Anything but lava. We got Emma, we got Crest Love. What's up, Crest Love? Welcome, I think it's your first match. We got Jupiter, and we got Doorframe Lizard. Hey, Druja, can we pre-send you some work for awesome critics? Yeah, we can do limited critique work. So yeah, feel free, Druja, you can draw, like, I don't know, 1 a day or something, but you can drop me some pixel art, I'll give you feedback on it. We're going to try not to do too much of that, but we'll definitely do some of it. Oh, Maritaria, a command during this level to raise the lava. That is awesome. Yeah, the lava does go up and down, actually. But actually giving the you viewers a command in chat is a great idea. Write that down. Maritaria has always got some awesome ideas. That guy is brilliant. Alright, and the winner was Jupiter. Congrats, Jupiter. Yeah, the AIs are not so good on lava stages. They're allergic to lava. I'm going to restart Unity because it's a little laggy. Drewjaw, can you link a DeviantArt link? Yeah, sure, bud. I'll take a look at it. Iron Butt. What's up, Iron Butt? Welcome to the crew. Your butt is so iron right now. Your butt is so iron, man. Alright, so we are working on Rizzoli. The game is out now on Steam, and it costs $5. Let's see this work by... Very cool. Cookie Reigns, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the crew. This is Drew Draw's art. Cool, Drew Draws. You want feedback on Happening Carpets? What's up, Happening Carpets? Welcome to the crew. Thanks for the follow, Happening. Who's asking for the Drew Draw, right? Drew Daw. Very cool, Drew Daw. It's a nice painting, man. If you want feedback on it, I don't really know much I can give on this piece. It's pretty cool. What? I mean, I think it's pretty complete. It's hard with the Phoenix because the Phoenix is all fire, and so it won't have much cool lights to it. It'll be warm. I mean, obviously off the bat, some things that don't work, I feel, is some things that don't work is that you have like these very obvious blots here. So I would just try to clean those up, unless that's kind of the style you're going for. Because like this is nice and blended, but those blots are kind of bad. But as for the art itself, I mean, I don't have much feedback on it. I mean, it's obviously the style you're going for seems like it's supposed to be a little bit messier or like paintier. So there's not much feedback I can give. If you meant for it to be clearer, then it's not super clear where the you could probably go into more detail and like paint in the feathers and stuff if you wanted to, like paint in each feather, paint in the head more and stuff like that, paint in the breast feathers and the tail feathers and actually paint in the tail and add more light there. And then the only other thing I would say is either add light. It's Phoenix, so it's made of fire, so it's hard to, although it's very good, man, it's very good. I would just either try to leave it like this, just call it and move on to their painting, or try to go into more detail where you actually drew each thing, I would say. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, Phoenix is interesting because there's its own light source. I really like how you have these highlights here, and I kind of wish there was more of that in the painting because it is fire, so if there was like more whites around it, so if like there was some rim lighting or something, which is again really hard because it's its own light source. So yeah, that's a challenging one. Thanks. That's very interesting. It's very interesting to think about. Great job though, man. Ultra Urbis, the Mona Lisa. What's up, dude? Damage Ball, how about random lava geysers in the lava map? That's a cool idea, Damage. That's a cool idea. Somebody asked, Ultra Uber, last week we had 700 followers, and now we have more. Yeah, man, we've been growing. It's been awesome. It's been awesome, and it's all thanks to you guys. We're at 1,089 followers. All thanks to you guys. All thanks to you guys. Of course, Drew Draw. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out and asking for feedback. Happening Carpets, watching stream while working out isn't easy. All right, we'll help you out, Happening Carpets. Push it. Crunch it. Do it. Come on. You got this. You got this, Happening Carpets. Go. Work out more. Harder. I don't know. We're going to call this the quest.
Just
results.
do it!
HUD. Aw, thanks so much, Ethan Burrs. That means a lot, buddy. So this is going to be a canvas. It's going to have a canvas in it. Wondering if it should be a separate item or if it should just be the quest HUD. Probably can be, to be honest. Daniel, welcome back. Yeah, it was weird. The stream went down to 46 and then it went up to 115 and then it went, the stream's doing what it wants to do, man. The stream does what it wants to do. Alright? You don't judge the stream. So put a panel in here, put a canvas group on that. And then we're going to another panel. We're going to call this results. It's got its own canvas group. This whole thing's got a canvas group. So remove that. So the results HUD's going to be interesting. So we need to actually draw this out first. Meaty Chief, yeah, I'm programming in C#. You will see some of that in a second. Panel. Actually, we don't need that at all. So this is going to be the results HUD. So let's see what the results HUD should look like. So let's grab a screenshot real quick of the game. Oh, Daniel working on the Wii U port for Rocket Fist. Very cool, man. Wii U port, I know. It's awesome, right? Let's get some Visual Studio! Alright, so what's interesting about the results HUD, basically what I want to do is like when the match ends, it obviously shows the results. I'm trying to think, so the results are going to be probably a big piece of paper. So let's get the game over screen real quick. Oh, it's snowing. Alright, so I want to make it kind of like this. It's going to look like this HUD, but of course different. So I'm thinking, let's see, we can do the whole flag thing maybe. It's going to have the flag, and then we can do another paper. Okay, let's get rid of that. So we could have like a big piece of paper. Should probably use a pencil brush. Apple Bonker 77. Welcome to the crew, Apple Bonker. Thank you for that follow. You are awesome, in case you didn't know. So yeah, I'm thinking it'll be something like, you know, a big pirate paper, obviously, because we do all our menus as pirate papers. Come on. So it'll be a big piece of paper, and it'll have a little bit of border. You guys wondering what we're doing right now? We're mocking up a game over screen for our single player. So it'll show like that, and then maybe the flag can be on top, so you know who just played. Martyr, when you do battle, it ignores commands where I bet more than I have rather than capping it, and allowing me to do battle 9999999 for ease of use. Yeah, again, I don't have control over any of that. It's all made by Ankbot. So all Ankbot allows me to do is set a max on the minigame. So I can set a minimum and the payout amount, and I could set a max. The max is this much, but I can't actually code any special stuff in there. Shuaka, am I all sponsored? No, I'm working off savings from my previous job. Game over, arcade. So what's cool about this, because then it could show all the different players, maybe. Yeah, no worries, Maritura, no worries. Someday we'll be fancy pantsy and have our own bots, our own like minigame bot that I can change on my own. And you know, as the stream continues to become, you know, bigger and bigger, and I'm having more and more fun with you guys, I'm gonna start dedicating some more time, more stream time, to working on Twitch stuff. So we have the menu, and it could show the score. So what I really wanted to do, Stream Bunny, you finished the front end for your bot. Very cool, very cool. What kind of stuff is your bot going to do? What I really wanted to do, let's see, where is... Meaty Chief, you're trying to make some games, nothing special, just some simple games. We make them in Game Maker Studio. Game Maker Studio is great. Always end up using those drop-down commands. My question is, will it be smarter? Will it be smart to do something in C# and Unity 3 level up my skills? No. I mean, just make your. If you've already started in Game Maker and you know how to use it, I would just make your game in Game Maker, man. Don't let other things intimidate you or feel like, or let anyone tell you that one thing's gonna make you a better programmer or a better game developer or whatever. Just keep going to Game Maker, dude. Finish one game in Game Maker, and then after that, you'll know kind of what could have been better or where your weaknesses lies or what could have made you faster, and then maybe you could
Just
learn
do
Unity
it!
or learn programming language after that. But just make your game in Game Maker now, man. Pixelated Nation, welcome to the crew. Thanks for the follow, Pixelated. Happening Carpet, see you later, dude. I really need some more references of Mario 3D World. Takmatsumoto, welcome to the crew. Thanks for the follow. So I'm torn. So what I'm gonna do is obviously show the score. So like the score will come over here. I don't know what the hell that is. So it'll show the score. 9, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it'll be, I don't know, trade wins. Leander. It'll show your score, and then it'll add to your score based on how many lives you have left. This could be the first version. And I want each heart to kind of add to your score. So, I guess it's kind of like how Towerfall does it. But that's fine. Drewjaw, can you make some publicity or explain the good reason for what I want to do? I'm not sure I understand the question. So the heart can come up here. Dewdraw, if your question is you want to explain your project, then yeah, you can explain to us what you want to work on or what you're planning on working on. Meaty Chief, I'm not awesome, man. You are awesome. Congratulations on starting your first game project, man. Wish you the best of luck, and be sure to share your progress with us here. So you could like absorb the hearts or something? No. It can show each player's hearts. Let's see. Can show each player's hearts. Or, so if you guys are wondering what's going on, I'm planning out how our game results screen can look. You can just show this thing. Not show these, maybe? You can show this thing. You can show this thing. And then a bar for how many points you get, like in 3D World. Maybe no paper. Bredder, your icon should eat the hearts. Oh, I wish, man. That's probably going to be too much animating. But not all the characters have icons that could eat something. I mean, they are all skulls, but yeah, I don't think they all eat something. I mean, maybe I could have it go, like, just absorbed into there. But I probably won't be able to actually animate them getting eaten. Also, it would be kind of weird if your icon came to life. It might be kind of freaky. So yeah, you can start with like your base points. Your base points go up from your score, and then your score shows above it. So your score is above it. Maybe there's a, let's just do a black overlay to start as hacks. We always come back to our menus and improve them in the future if we need to. Let's get rid of some of this stuff. Alright, so this will be your heart thingy, and it'll show, and then this thing will be the color of your character, obviously. Martyria, you want it, you can quickly add it. Martyria Quasi TV, what? What's up? Hi, how are you? Hi. Dewdraw, I know one channel who help people that evening. It's like a meeting in live to help people in art, digital painting, 3D modeling, very cool. You can help some of your followers who want to begin in this world. They give advices as the word. Cool, what's the channel, Dewdraw? Or Drewda, sorry, Drewda. Takmatsu, I am using Unity. I'm using the Unity engine. Here it is. There it is. Goodbye, Unity engine. Oops, back to Photoshop. So we can have these bars with these texts, and the text can be outlined with your color. I don't know if I want to do too much with the color thing. So your text grows as it shows how much points each character got, like in Mario. It's like, and then it adds like 1,000 points for every life you have left. So it's like brink, 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 brink. And then you see everyone's score. That could work. Because remember, the single player is co-op. So yeah, it could be like, this guy is red. And then this guy is pink. Might work. It's gonna be hard to do. We might just start with just the points and not really worry about the bar. Unity, that's right, Damage Wall. We can, I wonder how this works. We can start this. View info, I have no idea. Everyone can view. Only mods can add. 10-minute cooldown. Quote. Okay. How do you, let's see how this works. Ankbot. Quotes. So we can make it, so you guys have been quoting me a lot recently, which has been hilarious. So how does this thing actually work? Quotes displays the amount of quotes. Rand quote shows a random quote. How do you add a quote? Here we go. Quotes. Blah blah blah. Quotes add. Cool. So mods, you should now be able to do this. So let's do quote add. Oh, I just did one. Okay. So let's do quotes. DamageBot, how dare you? Why is DamageBot doing that? Oh, Drew Dawes, the Adobe channel. Cool, cool, cool. So how can I... Is DamageBot stealing my quotes? Quote add, quote. Gets a random quote. So let's do quote. And there's a random quote. Cool. Yo, DamageBot, I swear to God. How dare DamageBot? Why does it even have that option? Alright, so quotes are on. So mods, you can now add quotes using quote add followed by the quote you want to add. Is that cool? Is that cool? Doorframe Lizard? Oh yeah, actually I wasn't thinking about that, but you are more right. Yeah, it should be that the number is with the bar, Doorframe. Let's put pink up high. You are totally right. I wasn't thinking about that at all, because that would have been more work. So the number can go up with the score, and hopefully the score won't be so giant and ugly. So the number will be like that. Manga, what inspired the game? The game was inspired by a game jam where I was working on mountain climbers fighting, climbing a mountain with grappling hooks, and I was like, why should I make them just fight with the grappling hooks? I was very much inspired by Towerfall, Smash Bros, and Samurai Gun. And no worries, thanks for asking. Damage while you fixed it? Cool, cool, cool. The quote has a 10-minute cooldown. Let me delete the one that we have, so you guys can add other quotes if you want. Alright, so yeah, it could look like this, and then it could do something like it'll pulse the winner or whatever, and put a crown on them, or something. Maybe crown is too Mario, but let's just be like, da-na-na-na, you are the winner. And it won't be a crown because that's just straight out of Mario. But it'll be something. Can't be a pirate hat. It could just be a star or whatever. Like a gold skull. Like, blah, 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 blah. You win. You win. And it's like gold, silver, and bronze. See you, brother. Thanks for hanging out, buddy. I will see you next time. String Bunny, good blackish CSS backgrounds. I'll just go for like a really, really dark gray. Alright guys, let's see if we could code some of this stuff in. So let's go back to our quest scene. So we have our HUD, which has a result panel. So we're going to put a panel in it. UI panel. Make that black. Yeah, we'll make it black for now. And then we can do Apple Bunker. You should do a manic volcanic level. Apple Bunker. I feel like you know who. You feel like you know me in real life. Greenish Liquid. What's up, man? The Poke. I have no idea what an observable collection is. Sorry, dude. Okay, that works. This doesn't work. What is this? This is the points. I'm gonna put that in this panel here. Alright. So this can be centered. Alright. So let's go into our scene view. So we're going to have different panels for each player that have to appear. So first we're going to create a horizontal layout group. D'Angelo, how do the quotes work? You have to do, there's a 10-minute cooldown, so you can't call it that much. I'll lower the cooldown while we're testing it. I'll put a 0-minute cooldown on it. So it works like this: quote, add unit tie, and what was the syntax? Quote, add unity. Yep. And then you can do quote, and it'll choose a random quote. 10 minutes, yeah, because I don't want people spamming the chat with quotes. But I put a 0-minute cooldown on it for now for you guys to test it out. Ethan Burge, a map in space. That would be pretty interesting. It would totally break the meta of pirates. But why not? Why not? So inside this, we're going to create another panel. Call this player info or player results. Player quest results. It's not going to have a background. It's going to be centered. Oh yeah, we don't have much choice over that stuff. So player results. Inside it's going to have an image of a flag. It's also going to have space pirates using space cannons. Imagine, that should be the sequel or DLC. Skyhook in Space DLC. RBS still buffering. I'm so sorry, man. I disabled all the internets I could. Damage while your bot doesn't have a cooldown system. No! Oh no! So we got this font here. Where is it even? Should go there. It's going to need to be really big. 60, 20, 30, 40, 30. Okay, we're going to center it. And we're going to make it bigger. 34. Yeah. So that'll be centered, this will be centered. And so this will go above the bar. Now I don't know how we're going to do the scaling of this bar exactly. That's going to be interesting. A new character, Ethan Burge, a dragon pirate. Zombie Pirates, Call of Duty Zombies, Titanic DLC. You fight on a huge ship, you fight on a huge sinking ship. Alright, so we can move this with the bar. Cool. Okay, so we're going to call this icon, or, yeah, player icon, score title. We need to show their hearts. It'd be great if the hearts were already here. Player hearts. Heart. If we just stuck one of these in here. I wonder if we could just slide the hearts up, right? Be like, the hearts will be down here. And let's turn this off. So the hearts will be down here, and then they go burn up. Stream Bunny, do you mind if I drop a link to my TwitchBots UI prototype? Yeah, let's take a look. So let's say the hearts come up, and then the score appears above them. So we don't have to do any duplicate stuff. And I don't know how we're going to show this overlay on the hearts. Let's start a match and see what happens. SK Fearlord, what's up, dude? Bunnybot, this is your UI. Very cool. Very cool stuff. Control panel. And start stop. Very nice. The colors are a little dark. Yeah, it's hard to see. Alright, so we could just use the player's hearts. That's going to be cool. So let's try to make a system for that. So first, I'm going to hide the results panel because we're not using it right now. And we're going to save our HUD. So let's go to Heart HUD. And let's close everything else. And let's open up our player hearts. So we're going to call this public void move to middle. And I don't know if we can do this because it is inside of a horizontal layout group. So much stuff. Let's look for a heart. So there's a player hearts. Let's pause. Let's go. Oh, you can't move the UI when it's paused. It's kind of annoying. So player hearts, can we move it? No. We can't move the panel inside, so we could cheat. Be like, do-do-do-do-do. So the panel inside can move up. Do I have the darkness thing turned on? Oh, I do. I think this Unity is dark enough. Alright. Quest event. And I forgot to have to fix the delay here. Spawn delay, start delay. We'll say 2 seconds. So it's going to bring the hearts up, so we'll go back to our player hearts, move to middle. So the player hearts need to know about their panel, which I'm not sure if they do. Looks like they do. So you can say panel.doMove, and the end value is going to be... As if we're working on the game over screen, or the win screen for the single player. So here is one player's panel, one player's panel. So we're going to bring it up to say 160. 160. We're going to do it over the course of 1 second. And we're going to ignore time at delta time because the game is going to be frozen. here we're going to say public void on quest results. And what it's going to do is it's going to go through all of the hearts. Dictionary all hearts? Really? Is that how you work? It's going to go over all the hearts for each var in all hearts. It's going to go through all the hearts and it's going to say player hearts dot value dot move to middle. And it's going to do it with the delay, so I need to make this a coroutine. Move up hearts. So it's going to move it, and then it's going to yield half a second, I guess. I want to make it the same timing. SK for thanks for that refollow, dude. So we're going to call this coroutine here. This is going to get called by by the quest event when it ends. So here we have our event for on end event. This calls end versus match, clears mutators. And then just for testing, we're just going to do quest HUD dot on quest results. I got to make sure that's public. Wait, where did I do that? Oh, sorry, Hearts HUD Manager. Hearts HUD Manager. Oh, Heart HUD Manager. On quest results. Alright, let's try that. So I should be able to press backspace to end the match. Monitor, you only see chat? What do you mean? Is everybody else? Can everybody else see? Better no show for the meeting. He's got to get the stream. Awesome. Thanks for hanging out, man. Always good to have you here. Always good to have you here. Nope. So, Spheres you can see. Ultra you can see. Okay. Not sure what's going on. Control Shift F. So I have a shortcut for backspace, which ends any match. So I'm going to say if is running event, then current event dot end on end event and return. So now you just hit backspace to automatically end any event that's running. Every traffic jam starts with one dumbass. Guys, one thing I want to try to experiment with is I really want to make a. This is from the Global Game Jam. Gave this idea. I really want to make a morning commute simulator. So a game where you have to wake up, brush your teeth, get dressed, and then go to work. What's happening? On event completed. On end event. We should be going to Geo Controller. Don't restart the level right now. Why isn't, let's see, Heart Manager on quest results, go to definition.
Got you like a fish
Oh,
in
it's
the
a
water
coroutine.
now.
Hey, SK Feeler, thanks for that host, bud. You're awesome. You'll return this dot wait for real-time seconds. Better for you, that involves walking down your hallway about 20 feet. Yeah, for me that involves walking 4 feet from my bed. But what I really want to do is make a, like, you know, the cliche morning commute simulator. So having to drive, sit in traffic. It's going to be like a very boring game. It's going to be hilarious. Why is it restarting? I told it never to restart. If Unity Editor... If it's a quest event, return. Oh, it's because the hearts are getting faded out. So there's something here that hides all the hearts probably. Here, fade out. gets called by the game controller on end versus match and on pause. So if not a running event, yeah, Shiwako, exactly, yeah, intentionally boring and comedic game. That would be a ton of fun. And then one of my buddies at the game space had an awesome idea where it could be like entirely ragdoll physics-y. So it's like it plays kind of like Gang Beasts. So imagine Gang Beasts morning commute simulator. I think that would be a ton of fun to make. Matt, there's a game like that. It's called Everyday Simulator. Let's see. Ethan Burge, we drop people's ideas at the end of the show, probably around 4:30, 4:45. I can't play this game because it's in Unity or something. Or it's loading. Oh, it is loading. Alright, let's see. Backspace. Backspace. Alright, so it moved up. Great. And it stays there. Great. Okay, so yeah, there's a game like it, Matt, but what I'm thinking is literally, so loud. Oh, this is awesome. Hurry. Yeah, it's like a point-and-click adventure game, right? So I'm thinking
like a fish out of water.
Ultra Uber, thanks for that host, dude. You are awesome. I'm thinking something like a 3D, like third-person, like Octodad kind of a game. Like an Octodad meets that Everyday Simulator game. Guys, we are at 1,095 followers. How awesome is that? How awesome is that right now? Let's make this. So, yeah, if you guys are watching the show, if you're enjoying the show, if you're loving watching me code, which is probably not very exciting, but I hope you're enjoying it, don't forget to hit that follow button. Hit that follow button so we can make more awesome stuff. So what I want to do is with a delay, which is the problem right now. So on quest, so first it should at least wait. This should wait a little while. So on end event, clear mutators, end the match. Then it's going to do quest HUD dot minstance dot on end or end. What does quest HUD have? Because this is what's going to actually handle everything. So quest HUD, we need to make methods for it. So public void show results. It's going to get called by quest event. Quest HUD dot show results. Of course, we're going to make sure we have it. Hey, King Atomi, welcome to the crew, King Atomi. Thanks for that follow, dude. Curious, you heart my code. Ultra, where you heart the way I code. You guys are so silly. You guys are too silly. Ethan Burge, in about half an hour, man. In about half an hour, we'll draw some ideas. Bretter, 5 more for key. No, we won't be doing the we won't be giving out Steam keys every 100 followers anymore. We're gonna be changing that up soon to something else. But we won't be giving away Steam keys every 100 followers. And guys, don't forget today is Quasi Fan Friday, which means everyone who donates gets automatically entered into a raffle to win a free commission. So actually, Ethan Burge, today we won't be doing people's ideas. We're going to be first doing the commission or the drawing for the donator. On quest results, move up hearts, blah blah blah. So yeah. Okay. Cactus Jack, 1998. Welcome to the crew, Cactus Jack. How's it going? So show results. This is going to be another coroutine. Enumerator. Results panel. Ultra Uber, see you later, dude. Guys, I will be on Daniel's stream today. I will be guest starring on Daniel S&D's stream. So if you guys are around later today, hang out at that channel. I will be there. Ethan Berg, I'll try to squeeze in one drawing, dude. Just for you. I mean, you won't get chosen. I can't guarantee you'll be chosen, but I'll try to squeeze in one viewer drawing. No problem. Yeah, everyone thinks code is magic, but it's not magic. It's just logic. So yield, return, new, or this dot wait for real seconds. So it's gonna wait 2 seconds. It's gonna move the hearts up. Logic is magic. That's right, Kratos. Not many people are capable of it. But yeah, guys, so today after the stream, I will be hanging out in Daniel's stream as a super fancy guest star as he
The
works on.
treasure
You're
be
awesome. Thanks for
mine.
the awesome stream.
Napoke, thank you so much, Napoke. Thank you for that $5 donation. Thank you so much, man. Ethan Burge, see you back on in 20 minutes going shopping. See you, buddy. Napoke, thank you so much, man. You have officially entered the commission lottery, the commission raffle. Actually, if Maritaria hanging out, we could use her lottery, or her, sorry. We could use Maritaria, we could use his lottery tool to choose the commission person, if you're around Maritaria. I saw you earlier. Thank you so much, Napoke. As you guys know, donations help keep me alive, keep me going, keep me streaming, so I appreciate it. It's, of course, not required. Nobody needs to donate, but I very much appreciate anyone who does. RBS, Daniel will be streaming around 5 o'clock. He'll be streaming as soon as this stream ends. See ya, Ethan Burge. Love you, man. Take care. See you later. Hopefully we'll catch you. Results panel. So it's going to wait a few seconds, and it's going to show the results panel. So quests. Oh, this is the quest HUD. So we're going to do public, canvas group, results overlay, or we'll just say results panel. Public canvas results panel. Say results overlay. Yeah, we'll say results. Shit, I don't know. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, then we'll fade this in. Do fade to 1 alpha over 2 seconds. RBS, I'm going to try to finish around 5 o'clock. We'll probably might go a little bit over, but around 5 o'clock. Security has finally reached the 2-day mark. 2-day mark in what? So here's our results panel. We're going to need to add it to our script here as a canvas group. We'll turn this on and set that alpha to 0. Let's give this a shot. Critters Godman, why are you whispering me treasure? I don't want your treasure. Matt, I have never ever considered being a 24-hour streamer, and I don't think I will ever want to do that. I've watched some 24-hour streams, and at some point I feel like you just become miserable. I myself do not pull all-nighters. I'm not an all-nighter kind of person because I'm of the belief that after a certain point, especially if you're programming, you're no longer becoming productive, and you're just kind of, you know, screwing it up. I tried when I first started Skyhook, me and Vonnie Cakes, who hangs out on stream sometimes, we would try to do all-nighters, and pretty much every day after an all-nighter, I would spend the entire day trying to fix all the horrible code I wrote during the all-nighter. So I don't do that anymore. Oh yeah, my channel doesn't have whisper commands. Yeah, I actually kind of like you guys spamming the channel with bot stuff so I know what's going on. Or so I can see that everyone's like interacting. When people are whispering the bot, it's weird because I'm like, what's happening? No one's talking. RBS 2 hours? Yeah, in about an hour or so, Daniel will be streaming. And I will be there. I think 100, and I think in half a second. Oh, it's been dropped. My name is Waste Quasi. After 5 years at a hellish job, I have come home with only one goal, to create Skyhook. But to do that, I can't be the developer I once was. I must be someone else. I must be Quasi TV. Thanks for dropping that doorframe, Lizard. Kratos Godman, some channels have one whisper command. Oh yeah, I already read that. Matt, kids these days will never know the drama caused by taking someone out of your top 8 friends on MySpace. That arrow intro, yeah, Doorframe Lizard created that the other day, and so I made a promise that whenever someone drops it, I will read it in an arrow. I keep trying to make a better and better arrow voice. So whenever someone drops it, I'll read it in my arrow voice. I do have a cooldown for the arrow thing, yeah. Let me make sure that I have a cooldown for the arrow thing. I'm going to increase that cooldown. I'll increase it for the flash one too. We gotta, oh, so actually I was gonna talk to you about this. I forgot who made the flash one. But if you could, who made the flash one? I'm not gonna read that long flash one. Dorfmus, you didn't create the arrow one? Oh, I forgot who created it. Someone did. Someone on stream did. Nasada, yeah, surely nobody will spam that. Yeah, I added a 20-minute cooldown on it, so you guys can't spam it. We gotta make a shorter flash one though, because I was watching Flash yesterday, and there's like a much shorter Flash intro now, where he just says like, because he doesn't talk about his mom being killed anymore or whatever. So I'd rather read that one, because that one's way too long. DJG made the arrow one. Yeah, I think you're right. DJG. Oh, that fade. Oh, I forgot to set update on that fade. That's the problem. So on Quest HUD, right here on do fade, we need to make sure we set update to true. Wow, that was a long... What the mother? That was a long fade in. I have it on 2 seconds? Why would I ever do that to myself? You guys saw that heart just like fly in? Matt, if you ever owned a company that mass-produced bubble wrap, you would call it Satis, so that the factory would be satisfactory. You're so silly. Hello? Hearts? Why you don't move? It actually moved down. Player heart. I guess this should have been 120. Pestilent Mars. No, sorry, not Pelar. Pukate. Whoa, Pukate, long time no see, man. Long time no see, Pukate. How are you doing? Streaming Bunny, soon a user named BunnyBot might join. Cool, just remember to always ask for permission before you fire up your bot in the channel. And let us know what your bot's going to do and why it's here. Fade. And then... Slide. Slide. Why you no slide? Start coroutine on quest results. Wait 1 second. Fade. Wait another second. Do the results. Iterate over all the hearts. Move to middle. What the hell? Hey guys, school is cool, man. School is cool. Okay, hold on. Forgot to do kill. That's the mistake I'm making. We have to do kill the hearts. So the match ends, it fades to black, and the thing just like kinda goes up, really. Fine, 180. We have to make sure we do panel. Do kill. You usually want to call that when you're moving a transform, so it stops any previous movements. Snappy T, what's up, dude? Toja is done. Oh my god, we gotta see this. What? What? Saved into fan art folder right now. What? Oh no, it's JPG large. Toja, that is too cool, man. Guys, check it out. Fan art by the amazingly talented artist in chat. Toja. Well done, Toja. So freaking cool, man. Finn from Skyhook. I love the chromey, like, the shading on his gloves and his leather and stuff. Bukate, your friend of yours has a forum and have a chat on it. Is there a way to make a Pi bot or a bot in any language that can take logs from that chat? I have no idea. I have no idea. I feel like Martyria or XNF might have a better answer for you, but yeah, I have no clue, man. I've never tried to scrape a chat before, or scrape a forum. Told you, awesome job, man. That is so good. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I want that high-res version, man, so I can make it my wallpaper. I gotta make it my wallpaper. Martyria, what's up? Pukate, I think Pukate is a very technical question, which you're probably better at answering. But why is it moving up like a jerk? That value seemed to be so much higher before. Awesome. Thanks, Toja. High-res version. Oh my gosh, I gotta zoom out. What? What? Save this. I'm gonna overwrite the old one. Dude, that is so crazy. You're really covering the whole cast, man. You're really covering the whole cast. That is awesome. I really wish this value would just behave. If it was so much higher the first time we did it, which I don't understand. Alright, that's about good. And then we can spawn the... For now, we're just going to spawn the points for each player. So... Let's see. We can do... text. I'm not that good at spawning text on top of things. Can kind of hack it. Kind of hack it like this. Width, height, layout element, player heart text. Nope. Wait, it's not even. That's not a text. Oh, it's a panel. Okay, and the text is inside. Stretch, please. Centered. Okay. Told you 2 more characters to go. Hey, Hentouchko, what's up, what's up, what's up? Thank you, you are awesome, my friend. You are awesome. What did I miss? You can use F12 to inspect. Yeah, 2 more characters to go. In which language was the chat written? Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. XNF and Muriteria dropping in. Helping you out, man. We'll call this quest text. It's generally turned off. So player hearts. We'll have public. We'll call this quest text. What do I call the other things? Is this player heart text? Yeah, so player heart quest text. Tojo, 2 more characters to go. Unless I start adding more characters, you might have to work on this for a long time if I keep adding characters. So we can say public player hearts quest text equals quest text. And we load that up. Fire it up, fire it up! Told you, the contest will be if I can create and get characters added faster than you can do fan art. I think you might win. I think you might win. D-Man Legends, 16 characters? Dude, it's so hard for me to make a character. I don't know why the barrier is so high, but I mean, it makes sense because it's a, like a pseudo fighting game or a brawler. I remember I was talking to like Dan Fornace, the creator of Rivals of Aether, and he said that it takes like 3 months or something to make a character for Rivals. So it took me like, I don't know, like 8 months to actually finish Grimlock, but it wasn't like 8 months of continuous work. It was very on and off, of course. Public void update score and int new value. We're just going to say title.text equals new value dot toString. So yeah, it's tough. But I do have 8 characters in total designed. We have 4 in the game, and well, we have 5 in the game now, and 2 or 3 more designed. But I might only be able to make 1 more before the game is done, which is too bad. I might have to add the others as like free DLC later on or something. What? What is this? It's not a real... You have to restart Unity? It's not a real error. Alright guys, it's 4:30. We're going to finish up this results panel and then get into the end. The end magic, where we draw your crazy ideas. We're going to do one crazy idea. Actually, do you know what we're going to do? Let me think about this. Because we don't have as much time, we might do... We're going to do one crazy idea. We're going to choose a donation winner. And then we will probably draw the donations winner drawing a separate day. So if you guys don't know what happens, on Fridays, everyone who donates is entered to win a free commission, right? So I do commissions where I'll do full color art for you. So this was the first ever one done. This was for 7 days. He won a commission last Friday for the donation hype. And so he asked me to draw him a soldier being chased by a giant cartoon missile. And so we drew this for him and we colored it and everything on the stream. So if you donate today, at the end of the stream, you get chosen. You can tell me your idea and then I'll do a commission for you. So yeah. So we'll do that in a little bit, and so we'll choose the winner today, and then we'll do their drawing on the next stream probably. Stream Bunny, you gotta go. See you later. See you later. Bredder is Unity only C#. Unity is C# and JavaScript. They used to have BoostScript. I don't know if they have that anymore, but yeah, it's definitely C# and JavaScript. You can do those two. So we've got our quest text there, and our quest text needs a title there, and hit apply. Delete that, so we can say on player hearts public void show quest text int starting value and vector2 show position, or it's not actually vector2, just float y float starting y. What we're going to do is we're going to say player text or player heart quest text, yeah. Quest text dot update or something, update score, and we're going to say starting value and starting y. And now we didn't put a y for update score, so we're going to add that. Peak definition, so we're going to say float new y height, or new y position. And here we're going to do rect transform, which we need. Reference to, we'll go into do that in a sec. Ethan Bird, you're back, man. Welcome back, dude. Gordy, what's up, buddy? How's it going, Gordy? Good to see you again, man. We're going to update score. Starting y is going to be something. I'm not sure what it is going to be yet. Let's get our player heart here again. So if you look at the score, it's here. It's at 83. I wish that was zeroed. We can just add to it, I suppose. So show quest text starting y, update score, okay. So now here in the quest HUD, we can do heart manager on quest results, go to definition, start coroutine, move up hearts, wait 0.5 seconds, and we'll just do player hearts dot value dot show quest text for now. And then we're going to do starting value is 0 and starting y is, we'll say 100. Now we can do, this has its own rect transform, rect, and on awake we'll get our rect transform, rect equals get component rect transform. That's the transform we're able to move around and actually shift around on screen. So immediately when we get our new score, we can say rect dot do move y and new y position. And we could go there in 0 seconds, and we're going to set update to true. That should... Oh, I didn't even turn on the game object, which we need to make sure we do that. So here we're going to say show quest text turns on the game object. So quest text dot game object dot set active True, because it's set turned off by default. Rec.do move. What's up, Jupiter? Get wrecked, yeah. Yeah, Kratos God, man. Get wrecked. Alright, end the match. Black screen, move up. Show the text. Show the text. Show the text. Let's see, player hearts. Should have quest text in it. Does. It's there at the bottom. Now it's all gone. Oh. What's the problem with this? It's just not wide enough, tall enough, fast enough, short enough. The color is red, 999. Is it not big enough? Scale is 1, and scale is 1, and it's a thing. What's the color? Color is white. Why is rich text on? Raycast target, font size. Wait, why is it over there? What the F? Okay, we'll put the quest text there. There it is. There's the text. Position is 0. Okay. And so we would want it to move to like 200 probably to start. Money Blanks, you gotta run. If you win the drawing, your ideas and donation messages. Yeah, man. Best of luck. Best of luck. I hope you win. Or I guess I can't be biased. I hope you don't win. I mean, good luck, man. Player hearts. Thanks for hanging out. Monty, I will see you next time, man. Thanks so much for hanging out today. Let's just make all this centered. So the problem is I can't see this, so let's actually make sure we can see this while we're adjusting it. Go in there. So there's the quest text. It's got a value. Let's make that nice and wide. So it can be like 999999. And it can move. So by default, it'll be here. It's at 160. I guess right above the player, maybe? 100. And okay. Take that back out. Gotta make sure we turn that off in beginning. So on start or on awake, we'll just disable. Drago666, welcome to the crew, Dragos. Thank you for that follow. You're just in time for our cooldown sex segment. Cooldown sketch. Did I say sex? Cooldown sketch segment. Alright.
The treasure be mine.
Emma, $2.99. This donation contains a pun. I don't get it. Thank you for that donation, Emma. You are amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you're officially entered into the donation hype raffle. If you guys don't know how that works, every Friday we choose a random donator to win a free commission by me. So best of luck, Emma. But thank you so much for that donation. Game controller, hearts. Why'd you go up so high? Am I moving the wrong thing? The quest text is down at negative, and the panel is all over here. Let's see, what am I moving? A Heart HUD Manager, move up hearts. Player hearts, show update score, set active true, update score, starting Y, new Y position. We just ignore that for now. Yeah, why did the heart fly all the way so high? Move to middle. It's because this value keeps... What this value does keeps changing. The donation is less than 3. I don't get it. Okay, that's almost what we want. I don't know why this value gives different results each time. It's less than 3. Did I say something being less than 3? Napoke gets it. What? Why am I the only one? Far-fetched. What are you guys talking about? I'm not good at getting jokes. Quest text. Where is it? Player quest text. We're gonna say on awake, the title dot do fade 0/0. Bool fade in equals false. If fade in, then title dot do fade 1 0.4. Set update true. Less than 3. Oh, it's a heart. Ah, I get it. Aw, Emma, thank you. I get it now. Thank you so much for that donation, Emma. You are amazing. See, nobody else said anything. Nobody else admitted to not getting it. You guys just watched me not get it and act like a fool. And now everyone admits that they didn't get it either. Show quest text true. Thanks so much, Emma. Thank you so much for the donation. As you guys know, donations help keep me alive. Hey, the only English fox. You are the only English fox that I know. Thank you for that follow. Welcome to the crew, only English fox. Guys, it's time for our cooldown sketch. Let's do it. I think we're just about where we want to be with the game over panel. Now it's going to start feeding it scores and stuff. I forgot to fade the thing in, I guess. If fade... Update score. Fade, do fade, if fade in, do fade. Oh, I didn't save that. Recompile, please. And then we get rid of, there's something in the quest HUD that is just like a big old number or something. Then we get rid of that. I don't think we need any of this right now. Someone is the mysterious ninja donator. Whoa, Dorfman was dropping a Uplay code. What is going on? Donations equals Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Apple Bunker knows. Apple Bunker, who are you? How do you know that I eat Cinnamon Toast Crunch all the time? It's all I've been eating. Oh, it's based on if the game is maximized or not. Crap. Let's test this out. We gotta test this with multiple players before we stop. Create test match. Test match. Who are you, Apple Bunker? I don't know if you said before. I wasn't paying attention if you did. Let's do 3 players. It's a taste you can see. That's right, Klikos. What's up, dude? Alright. End it, and then they each slide up one at a time, and then their score fades in, and then it's gonna go up. It's all kind of slow right now, and it's not so high. And I realized, so I have to figure out how that whole Rex transform. I guess I should do show quest text, update score. Where is it? Player quest? No. Where is the player hearts? Move to middle. It moves a little bit slow right now. Let's say 0.4. Moves to 160. So what I should do is this moves the Y. So should I say transform.position.Y plus 100? Will that be relative to the screen space? Screen space and world space always are so confusing. Snappy, where did I learn to code? I learned to code from YouTube and college. I learned basic Java in college, and I learned C# and Unity on YouTube. RBS, are you talking about the secret game later with Daniel? Nope. Nope. I haven't said anything about that yet. But you guys should come check it out at 5 o'clock. Or, shit, we have 15 minutes. I gotta get going. Let's do this. 150, I think. Only in English Fox, we are making Skyhook, and you're about to see a match in a second, because I'm going to take a break before our cooldown sketch portion. Boop-a-da-boop. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, game over. 1, 2, 3. Alright, almost there, guys. It's almost there. We'll set the colors, and we'll start increasing the bars in the next iteration. Cool. So in the meantime, how about I drop you guys off in a Twitch Play Skyhook match while I run to the little Quasi's room. So get ready with that hashtag play, guys. Here we go.
Let me at 'em. Come get. Nothing like a good workout. Nothing like a good workout.
Oh man, did you guys get lava again? Anything but lava. Kratos, Godman for the win. Well played, dude. Well played. Dan and Beard, yeah, it's just AI playing right now. Alright, guys. You know what time it is. Congratulations, Kratos, Godman. And let's do it. Whoop. Wrong one. It's not 1 pixel time. It's cooldown sketch time. Let's go, guys. Here we go. Oh, wait. Don't listen to that. Start sketches. Digit Lives. What's up, dude? All right. There we go. Let's do it again. It's cooldown sketch time. Guys, I'm going to be drawing your ideas. Hype, hype, hype. That's right, Matt. Thanks, buddy. Guys, submit your ideas with exclamation sketch. Remember, no real people. Keep it PG. I'm going to draw a random one. We're going to only be able to do one today, because I got to run over to Daniel's screen after this. So submit your ideas now while I jam out to this song. Damage while I scared you. Sorry, dude. Remember to use exclamation sketch to submit your sketch idea to the almighty damage bot. Now is your chance, guys, to get me to draw something totally random for you. The Reddit logo, Teach It Live? That's weird. Squirrel smoking weed. X and F, keep it PG, man. Keep it PG. Nightmare Freddy and the gang? I don't know what that is. Zoom from the Flash. That's awesome, Skin Hunter. But didn't you already submit one? Remember, you can only submit once, guys. You can only submit once. Alright, we're going to call it in 5, 4. Oh, I'll write it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Da-na-na-na. Wow, that was the whole song. How perfect was that? Alright. And let's do it. Our first sketch for today. Guys, wait, actually, if you haven't seen the show before, if you're new to the show, this portion of the show is when we draw random shit. For example, things like the crap captain and a skull getting a tattoo from of a human from a turkey yesterday. Things like Super Saiyan Batman and a skeleton with a briefcase and a raccoon in the table tennis finals. All thanks to Emma, Pestilent Mars, and Dorphin Lizard. So let's do our one for today. So we got a whole bunch, 21 sketches submitted. Very cool, guys, very cool. I'm going to grab the first one, and it is a thief who is getting robbed by a treasure chest. Napoke, you submitted that one before too, right? Oh, did we not clear sketches damage? I forgot to clear sketches. Did Napoke submit that today? I'm pretty sure that was from yesterday, unless he resubmitted the same thing. Napoke, if you're around, let us know. Is that what you submitted today? You did it again? Ah, Napoke. You're the worst. Alright, let's do it, guys. So, the winning sketch for today is Napoke's. And don't forget, after this, after our cooldown sketch, we're going to choose the winning donator, guys. So there's still time. If you want a chance to win a commission from me, then I'll draw a single character for you, and I'll color it and everything, just like we did for 7 days. Where's my computer? Just like we did for 7 days last week. Every donator who donates today on a Friday gets entered in the pool to win something like this. D'Angelo, you cleared sketches. Thanks, man. You're the best, Damage. You're the best. Alright, here we go, guys. Remember, you can submit. You can still have time to donate. We're going to choose a winner at the end, and I'm going to spend the weekend drawing an awesome drawing for you. I might stream it. I might even wait till next week to stream it, or maybe I'll stream it over the weekend. I don't know. I don't know. But I will definitely draw you an awesome colored sketch. So, Napoke, a thief. What was it? A thief getting robbed by a treasure chest? Where is it? A thief getting robbed by a treasure chest. Getting robbed by a treasure chest. Okay. How are we gonna do this? Napoke's idea could literally be made into a game. Yeah, right? Oh, thanks for dropping that command, Damage. Let's grab some old... As you guys know, I always like to have some old stuff. So let me grab this. I like to grab some old stuff for inspiration. Let's put this guy over here. So you gotta remember, guys, you could win a sketch like that. Or you could enter your idea for crazy sketches like this. Let's grab these guys. Got a guy Super Saiyan Batman. He needs to get some more love. So much yellow. Let's grab, who else should we grab? We can grab the skeleton. I love the skeleton. Put him over here. So we got some nice sketches around me to keep me inspired. Chris got me having D&D flashbacks. Did I spell Napoke's name wrong? My bad. It's Napokwe. Napokwe. Napoke. Wow, I butchered your name. I totally didn't even spell it close to right. No puke. You should change your name to No Puke. I'm just saying, it's way better. Alright, here we go. Pencil brush. Or, sorry, brush tool. Shuyin brush. Oh, look, there's like some stuff on my Cintiq. Oh, we gotta get the Cintiq cam going. Shoo-ba-doo. So you guys can see what I see and how I draw. Alright, here we go, Napoke. A thief? What the hell is this? A thief getting robbed by a treasure chest. God damn it. Daniel, if you're hanging out, I'm very sorry. We're gonna have to go a little bit over 5 o'clock. So we could draw Napoke, a thief getting robbed by a treasure chest. What the fuck? What is the thief doing? Is the thief sleeping? What does the thief normally do when they rob somebody? Hey Dan, we're gonna be a little bit late because we're trying to finish up the sketch. We're gonna do one sketch today, one sketch. Yeah, we're gonna be a little bit late, but I swear I'm gonna go as fast as I can. Getting robbed, be a treasure chest. Thanks, man. You guys catching my mistakes. I'm moving too fast. I'm gonna rush, guys. If you don't know, after the stream, I am going to be hanging out on Daniel's stream as a guest star. Wait. Oh man. So it's 6 o'clock? You said 5 o'clock. We have another. This literally happened on Monday, right? So I have 1 more hour to stream. You're saying, right, Dan? Damn, I could have got so much more done. Marco, you didn't hear the F word. You're crazy. I would never curse on stream. You're crazy. You're crazy. I always think Daniel starts at 5 p.m. Eastern, and it's always 6 p.m. Eastern. But because he always tells me 5 p.m. and so then I get hype and crazy, which means I still have way more time to work on the game. But we're gonna do this sketch for Napoke. Mission Impossible style chess with. Oh, I love that greenish liquid. That is too good. That is too good. All right, so we have 1 more hour on stream. I can calm down just like I did on Monday. I have to remember. I'm gonna write this down on my desk. If you guys don't know, my desk is a dry erase board, so I'm gonna write this down. Dan, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Daniel streams at 6 p.m. I'm gonna write this down. I'm gonna keep this here forever. So on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I know when Dan streams. Screw your PST, man. You and your Pacific Ocean. It's all about the Atlantic Ocean, man. Atlantic Ocean is life. Skin Hunter, you got 2 closed betas for Paladin. Sweet, I have that game. It's awesome. I'm also in the closed beta. Thanks, Damage. So a thief getting robbed by a treasure chest. So a treasure chest. Greenish Liquid suggested a treasure chest coming in on a Mission Impossible-like rope. And you guys, of course, suggested it should be a
Love
minute.
shark
Be
with
mine.
Alabama
Wabba dabba dabba dab dab dab. Skin Hunter, thank you for that donation, buddy. Thank you so much. As you guys know, everyone who donates today gets entered for a chance to win a sketch by me in full color, a full commission, just like 7 days did last week. Napoke GMT is better? Yo, GMT blows my mind, man. Emma, Atlantic Ocean, best Atlantic Ocean. Daniel still fighting against Wii controllers. Cool, man. That's great. Hey, if you want to start later, Dan, you just let me know. I'll stream as late as I can. So gotta get some more work done. So you let me know when you want to start, and then I'll start wrapping up the stream. Do mimics have eyes? Not really, right? So we're drawing a treasure chest, robbing a thief, which is going to be interesting, and how he's actually doing that. So he's Mission Impossible roping in. 3 p.m., 6 p.m. should be fine. Alright, get it done, Dan, get it done. Make that Wii remote sing or something. The mimics from Dark Souls. Yeah, that's what I was trying to imitate, was the classic RPG mimic, which is kind of the same as the mimics from Dark Souls. Except my mimic is going to have hands. He's gonna eat the thief's gold. I think I'm gonna make him steal like a giant diamond or something. Sketching your ideas are what? Yeah, sketching your ideas, and this is digital art, Photoshop, illustration, game dev. Daniel, yeah, I've always wanted to make a. There actually is a mimic in Skyhook. It's you know, developer only. There's a mimic. It doesn't have its own sprite yet, but yeah, I thought about doing it a few times, but I was never able to get around to actually making the art for it. But I coded the system. There's actually a mimic. Like, there's a power up. So there's a chance for your power up to become a mimic, and then the treasure chest will try to eat you. But you know, I didn't like how it turned out. But definitely something I could probably revisit. Shiwako, how did I get my art style? Honestly, I just drew a lot, like I copied a lot of different artists and slowly developed my own over time. I'm still working on it, which is why I draw every day on this stream. So I used to draw manga a lot as a kid, so I only drew anime for a long time. And then after college, I started studying American style a lot more. I started studying like the Disney style and the way they animate and draw stuff. And so I kind of just merged the two over time. I think a lot of it now still comes from like the Disney style, probably. But it's just my own version of it. What I finally learned was to not be afraid. A lot of times when I'm looking at my own art, I'm just like, wow, that is just so bad. Like, you know, it'll never be good or whatever. And I learned to just not be afraid and just let my art be bad. And let other people think it's good. I don't know if that makes any sense. And then over time, allowing that to happen kind of let it turn into its own style. So the mimic is coming down. A thief getting robbed by a treasure chest. What's the thief doing? The thief is just like chilling. Yeah, Toja, we're all our own worst critic. Totally, man. What helped me develop my art style a lot was going to other artist blogs, like other Disney artists and storyboard artists and stuff, and being like, oh man, I want to draw like that guy. And then like trying to draw like him for like a week, him or her for like a week, and then finding another artist and be like, oh man, I totally want to draw like that guy, and then trying to copy that style and like slowly turning them all into whatever, like my style, I guess, quasi style. Snappy, I use the Shuyun brush or Shiyun brush for my sketches, and I use the regular, and I use Frendon's brushes for the inking. Shiwako, you overconfident? That's awesome, or not awesome? I'm not quite sure. Ethanberg, yeah, that's a good idea, Ethanberg. That's a good idea. Should have put the jewel, like, maybe the thief already has the jewel. But I don't know. I thought it might be funny if the thief is just hanging out. Because he's so like, oh yeah, I got this. Like, I totally got this jewel right now. I don't know, Shiwako, I think as an artist it's important to never be overconfident. I don't know if that's bad advice, but I feel like when I meet artists that are like overly confident, they don't always realize that their work could be better. Like, I'm always constantly aware that my work could be better, which I think, although that sucks mentally, it definitely makes, you know, constantly makes me aware that I need to improve. And I feel like if you're not aware that you need to improve, then you're not going to improve. Chihuahua overconfidence usually helps you keep calm about tests and stuff. That's cool. Yeah, that's awesome, man. I wish I had confidence or overconfidence. There's definitely people in the world who have that, and I'm envious of that for sure. I was not born with confidence, my friends. I was born with imposter syndrome, which I'm sure many people here share in chat. Maybe I won't have the thief. What do you guys think? Should I have the thief leaning? Should he be carrying? Smith Clay, can I do a Photoshop tutorial someday? You always see me selecting things like you do with the leg and rotate them. Yeah, that's a great idea, Smith.
Just do it!
I'll try to do something like that sometime. But yeah, definitely just get started and start working in it. I didn't know most of this stuff when I got started. I learned them over time. But yeah, one day I'll try to dedicate some time, maybe on a separate stream, to just teaching Photoshop. I could record that and put that on YouTube, which would be cool. Dan used to feel way too much imposter syndrome. I don't think it's ever going to go away for me. Imposter syndrome is life. You could be spooning the gem? What? Carrying it on his back. Why would he carry it on his back, though? Why would a thief carry something on their back? Napoke, yeah, it's called imposter syndrome. Oh, I know what he's doing. Aw, thanks, Wild. You are awesome. Ethan Verge too heavy? I guess. Snappy T, have I ever considered getting a Mac? Yeah, I have a Mac. It's over there. Where is it? Oh no, my laptop is. I guess it's in my bag. I have a MacBook Pro. That's my laptop. It was a gift. Otherwise, I would have got a PC probably. But I don't know why I would want a Mac. You said, have you considered getting a Mac since you do a lot of things with development? I don't know if someone... Macs aren't particularly good with development. I mean, nothing's particularly good with development. Everything is good. Exactly, RBS. RBS knows. RBS got me. RBS, it's exactly what I'm doing. Hold on a second. RBS got it exactly right. Daniel, the worst when you broke up with your ex, you guys used to make games together. Wow. Without her, you wouldn't have any talent. Well, I'm afraid to tell you this, Daniel, but you were right. You have no talent without her, man. You should just quit now. You know, I'm just kidding. Skin Hunter, your father gave you a small loan of $1 million? What? Trying to look at how we use our phones. RBS got onto exactly what I was doing. I was gonna make the thief is texting, which is why he doesn't notice he's being robbed by a treasure chest. Skin Hunter, where the hell did your dad get $1 million? That's pretty awesome, I suppose. Let's give this guy a little thief hat. Clever thief's gotta have a nice little beanie. Thieves love their beanies. Arby's got a huge loan of $1. It's a pretty big loan, man. Is there a lot of interest with that loan? Sheesh. Breder, you're on the right profile now. Oh my god, was that you before? I didn't even recognize you, man. I didn't even recognize you in your... Were you smurfing us, Breder? Were you smurfing us? Oh my god, is that ever going to become a thing? When a Twitch follower gets so many followers, he starts smurfing by creating a new channel or something? That's totally going to become a thing someday. Give him a small beard, Ethan Berg? Sure, man. Give this guy a little beard for Ethan Berg. Little Tony Stark beard. Looks like a ninja. Narcos, what's up, dude? How's it going? What the hell do thieves wear? Do they wear like turtlenecks still? Do thieves still wear what they wore in Home Alone in the 1990s? Monty Blanks to the raffle yet? No, not yet, man. We're gonna do it a little bit later after these sketches. If you guys don't know what Monty Blanks is talking about, on Fridays we give out a commission. We do a raffle for everyone who's donated gets entered for a chance to win a commission. By me. Commission like this guy over here. So I'm going to assume that thieves still wear black turtlenecks when they're thieving. Shibako, do you think digital tablets, the non-touch kind, are fine? Yeah, I used a digital tablet, the non-touch kind, for 20 or 15 years or something before I started using a Cintiq. They're absolutely fine. In fact, they're more than fine. They're amazing. The thief looked like Solid Snake. Maybe it is Solid Snake. So I'm going to move this guy over. Get some more negative space between two characters. Thank you for the doubloons. No problem, RBS. You deserved it, man. You totally figured me out. Eye patch? Thieves don't have eye patches, Apple Bunker. Then he'll just look like Solid Snake. I mean, you can't even tell if he has an eye patch, I guess. It does, now it really looks like Solid Snake. You guys are so silly. Yeah, Emma, I totally agree with that point. As long as you're not satisfied with your own work, you know you can still improve. As soon as you're 100% satisfied, you probably haven't reached the limit of your ability, but the limit of your imagination. I totally agree. Or you became a jerk. Wild Paradox looks like Sawyer from Lost. I saw that Sawyer has a new show, right? Sawyer's got some new show on TV where he's doing something where he's not Sawyer. I think it's like a zombie show or something? I don't remember. I haven't watched it. Shiwako, yeah, you're totally right. Solid Snake doesn't wear an eye patch. Big Boss wears the eye patch. Yep, yep, yep. You are totally right. So this Big Boss getting robbed by a treasure chest. Colony, yeah, Colony is good, is it? I couldn't tell if it was worth my time or not. Awesome, Security Riz dropped a quote. Great, well done, man, well done. Emma lives on forever as one of the quotes here on Quasi TV. Congrats, Emma. Wildpacks are working on a basic platformer with HTC Vive integration. That's cool, man. Trying to get the pose of him with his feet crossed right, but I forget what it's like to do that. Maybe he's not crossing his feet at all. And rotate his hips up. Geez, like, when do I start my tutorials? I don't know. I'm definitely not going to start them until Skyhook is in a really, really good place. Because tutorials are difficult and time consuming. But what kind of damage? Yeah, his legs are so broken, right? What kind of tutorials do you want to see, Digit Live? This guy's got a serious thigh gap right now. Making sketches, coloring them. Man, I feel like weird thing about tutorials, I feel like there's such good ones on YouTube. I don't know if I could ever come close to those guys. You guys are always welcome to ask me questions, of course, while I'm working. If you have questions about what I'm doing or how I'm doing, just ask. Just ask. I'll be happy to explain. His arms are so big. His upper body is so giant. His feet are so tiny. Don't learn to learn code to learn. Love it, Damage Bot. He skipped leg day, yeah. He's one of those guys. That's awesome, Skin Hunter. Alright, no poke. Or, what did I write before? No puke. Alright, no puke. Oh. It's looking awesome. Thanks, man. Thanks. Let's move this guy. So yeah, the sketch is still around. Can I grab one more? Pick sketch. Yoda wearing Speedos? What the hell, RBS? What? What's a Speedos? Oatmeal raisin cookies are the best, Shiwako. Oh. What? That's a Speedo? What? Digital Life, do I usually name my layers? Don't tell my mom? I only name my layers when I'm doing commission work, or not commission work, like freelance work or something I'm going to send to somebody else. The reason I don't name my layers is usually when I'm done with everything, I merge it all down into one layer. So I don't usually keep things as separate layers anyway. So no, I don't usually name my layers because I'm a lazy jerk. RBS, are you still around, dude? Oh my god, guys, he's here. He's here, which means I have to make it. RBS. RBS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yoda. What was it? I can't scroll in the stupid bot. The idea was Yoda in a Speedo. Right? Where is it? Yoda wearing Speedos. Yep. Rhoda. Oops. Yoda wearing Speedos. I said no real people. RBS. Yoda counts as a real person. And diving goggles, Napoke. RBS, can you have a copy signed? I don't know. I usually sign the sketches before I put them on Tumblr. Oh, you mean a copy of the image signed? Yeah. I usually sign it before I put it on Tumblr. You guys, use guys. Use guys. I'm not going to put a reference of Speedos on the screen, just so you guys know. The Old English Fox, tomorrow GMT, I promise to donate to you about $5. Don't know how much that is in dollars. Oh, dude, thank you so much, English Fox. Really like some cool art. Keep on the good work. Oh, English Fox, thanks so much, man. You are awesome. Thank you. No rush. Hey, Creator Tag 21, welcome to the crew. Thanks for the follow. English Fox, no rush, man. No rush. If you can't donate today, don't worry about it. I don't stream on Saturdays, so I actually won't be around tomorrow. But please come back to the show, and I appreciate the thought, man. No worries. With curly chest hair? Why would Yoda have curly chest hair? You guys? Why are you guys doing this to me? Why are we doing this right now? Nice quote, security risk. How are you guys even? Yeah, Daniel, all Wii controllers working. Sweet. Nordy, what's up, man? Good to see you. Welcome back, dude. You're just in time to catch probably what's going to be the most horrific thing ever drawn on this stream, which is Yoda wearing a Speedo. It's a good Yoda pose. He stands with a cane, right? All his drawings are with a lightsaber, but he barely ever yields his lightsaber. Yeah, there you go. He stands with a cane. Oh, he's standing in a cane there. Okay. Emma, you want to hear Yoda sing "All the Boys to the Yard my milkshake brings"? Ew. Ew. Wild Paradox, he's actually not working in Windows. Daniel's working on actual a Wii U integration for his game. Apple Bonker, see you later, bud. Thanks for hanging out. Trying to think what pose is Yoda in. The Pretender HS. Welcome to the crew, Pretender. You're just in time for the horrifying, horrifying sketch of Yoda in a Speedo? If you don't know what this is, we are drawing your chat suggestions. Hey, Creator, I don't look very happy today? No, I'm just grossed out right now. I'm happy, buddy. I'm happy. I'm just a little bit grossed out with what I have to draw right now. I'm trying to figure out how I can do it in a funny way. Martyria, welcome back. You're just in time for Yoda in Speedos. You're just in time for Yoda in Speedos. I didn't realize he has these big old claw feet. If you guys are just tuning into the show, are we at over 1,100 followers? No way! 1,100 hype. Thank you so much to our last follower who put us over, or our last few followers who put us over. Thank you so much, guys. 1,100 hype, third week. We're capping off our third week of streaming with 1,100 followers, and I can't be any more happy, guys. Thank you so much. Yoda, aka the Green Gremlin, yeah, right? So much hype, guys. Thank you so much for 1,100 followers. I love you guys. Yoda's got shorter legs, you would say? Barrage Rick? No problem. Photoshop hacks. Mertu at 1198 for you. Yeah, it takes a while to update for certain people. I think usually I have my dashboard is the most clear. It's 1099 for me. Yeah, so I guess it's different for everyone. I don't know how that works. Mertu, Daniel's stream is going to start in 30 minutes. And I don't know how long he plans on going. I'm going to hang out there for as long as I can before I die. I assume I'll be able to stay alive for a few hours. Ingvar, you only came here to ask me one question. It's really important. The last time somebody said that, they asked me, what do horses eat? So I imagine that's your question too. And the answer is grass. Maritaria, what are his talks like? Well, today's going to be the first time he's ever doing this open source Friday, so I really don't know what it's going to be like. Today he's starting his open source project, so it's the first time ever. But I will be on the stream as well as a guest star, and I'll be there with my webcam on, acting like a fool. Ingvari, what's the question? But that's hilarious. What does grass eat? Grass eats antelope. Did you guys know the story? Lions eat the antelope, antelopes eat the grass, and then the grass eats the antelope. Grass eats horse in a poke. Trying to figure out what to do with Yoda here. Anybody have any ideas for what he should be doing? Ingvar, the question is, would you ever consider making a game where you can only play a tree, and the goal is to snag as many people with your branches? That seems like it could be a fun little arcade game, or even a really good mobile game. It sounds like a cool idea. Daniel twerking. No, I'm not gonna make him twerking. I'm not gonna draw Yoda twerking. That's just disrespectful to the Force. It's just disrespectful to the Force. Dorfus is flexing his muscles. Damage while showing off his muscles. But yeah, Ingvar, that's a really cool idea. You should do it. You should totally do it. I'm assuming you came here to ask because you want to make a game like that. I think it's a cool idea, man. No, Martyr, it's not a talk show. He's doing a dev show just like I do. He's doing a game dev stream. It's not a talk show. I don't know if I, sorry if I made it sound like that. It's just a game dev stream. He's gonna be doing some Unity stuff, working on an open source game. Yoda hates his life. Hashtag twerk. I forgot Yoda has hair. Yoda is wearing Speedos. Marty, you're going chat only. See you later. Thanks for hanging out, dude. Guess we could do something simple. Huh. What he's doing with his hands, guys, besides twerking. We're almost out of time. Oh no, we're not out of time yet. Matt, you wonder if people in chat to make a digging hole to America? I doubt it. But you think he still has to wear his robe? Then it looks really, really, really suggestive. If he's still wearing his robe, then this looks like a very suggestive drawing of... I don't know how to do that. Oh, an inflatable duck. That's a great idea, Coyote. He has a gun in his hand. Oh my gosh, Skin Hunter. Yoda with a gun. I like it. Because Yoda never learned how to swim. You don't have to when you're a Jedi Master. What's an inflatable duck look like? A small bonsai tree? Caught me at a bad time, you have. Whoa, where'd it go? And guys, don't forget, it is Quasi-Fan Friday, which means everyone who donates today has a chance to win their own sketch, and we're going to do the draw, or we're going to choose the winner right after this sketch. So this is your last few chances to enter. Everyone who donates today enters a raffle to win a sketch, a full colored sketch. Is this what an inflatable duck looks like? In the future? Inflatable Duck of the Force. Old English Fox, will the game be available on Steam, and how much will it be? The game is actually available on Steam, my friend, and it is $5, $5 US. It is out on early access. Thanks for asking. I should do his arm. Henstein, to enter the raffle to win a free commission, or not a free commission, but to enter the raffle to win a commission, you need to donate. All the donators today on Fridays get a chance to win a commission by me. So our last winner was 7 days, and I drew him that army guy running from a rocket. Alright, RBS, I hope you're happy for not letting me sleep tonight because I had to draw this. I'm literally going to see it in my nightmares for years to come. Chiwako, will you raise the price when Skyhook is released? You probably should. Yeah, I will. I will. Once single player is released, actually, I'm going to raise the price. Ingvar, my road looks kind of buff. You don't think Yoda is buff, to be fair? I don't know. I feel like there's some muscle under there. There's some muscle under there. Daniel, after release, $99.99 with Crap Captain DLC at $49.99. Yeah, reasonable, reasonable. No, I think after I release, I am going to. No worries, Hanshidi, no worries, no pressure to donate, man. Never any pressure to donate. After I release, after release, the game's probably going to be $7.99 or $8.99. I haven't quite decided yet, but around that time. But if you call now, you'll also receive a steak knife. So it's going to be around $7.99 or $8.99 once I get the single player done. I'm going to raise the price. I'm probably going to raise the price while it's on early access. Well, I just crashed into my Cintiq cam. Hello, cam. Alright. And that is our sketches for today. Oh man, there's a Yoda still stuck in here. Actually, you know what we'll do? Guys, remember, after this show, I will not be leaving Twitch. I will be hosting Daniel's stream, Daniel S&D, where I will be guest starring. And I'll be being silly and doing awesome stuff and watching Daniel code while I work on some potential art for his game. Or not his game, but the new game, the new project we're going to start. So if you guys are around, definitely tune in for that. D'Angelo, if you call right now, you'll receive the Crab Captain DLC plus Titanic DLC. Call now 1-800-QUASI-SKYHOOK. I wonder where that phone number leads. Is the new project a Star Wars themed swimming game by any chance? What? Emma has figured us out. You have figured us out, Emma. How did you know? How did you know? What color are Yoda's eyes? Any hardcore fans around? That's not gonna work. Alright. I don't know why I put those lines there. Why am I coloring this, you say? I have no idea. Sometimes I just randomly start coloring shit. He looks so grumpy. I guess he just got out of the pool, which is why he's going to be so shiny. He's glistening. He's glistening with Yoda wetness. There we go. Calling it. What's up, guys? Shiwako, I still don't understand shading. Do you know how I can learn to do so? A really good book I like on shading is Color and Light. Boop-a-doop, boop-a-doop. Color and Light, a guide for the realistic painter. I love this book on shading. Or not shading, but on color. Definitely very helpful. Grumpy Yoda cat, shiny Yoda. Alright, there it is. 453, 543. Center everything. Okay, that's not centered. That's not very centered. I guess we could color one last thing. So that, like lately we've been dropping a little bit of color in every single sketch, which has been nice. It's been nice. Yeah, I don't know. Something. I shouldn't have gone so hard with it. Gone so crazy with it. Just do simple. When you put it on Tumblr, will it have our names on it? Yeah, RBS. I always make sure to add you guys' names when it's on Tumblr, so everyone knows who came up with these reckless ideas, and that they can't blame me. Yeah, I always make sure to put your names on it, or leave your names on it. It's like, I want it. Oh, looks like he has blood on his hands. Oop, hello, skeleton. Alright, what's up guys? On the activation info, it seemed to be Yasai Ninja, but in my library it seemed to be a game called Proteins. What, the Steam? Oh my gosh, DG just dropped a Steam key, I didn't even realize. Glistening Yoda wetness is not a quote yet, why? Alright, let me sign this for RBS. RBS, I'm going to sign specially here, closer to your one, since you asked for the signature. What is today? 2-5. Twitch. Alright, man. There it is, guys. Our cooldown sketch for today. Hope you had as much fun as I did. Now, let's find out who is going to win. Don't remember you dropped Splinter Cell earlier. I had no idea. Let's save this out, and then I'm going to find out who won our donator pool. If you guys haven't donated yet and you want a chance at winning, now is your chance before I finish saving this, where we're going to be choosing someone to randomly win a full color commission by myself. So let's find out who donated today. Let's go real time. Alright. So our donators today are, let's fire up the giveaway tool. So it's going to be donator, sketch, giveaway. And the winners are Skin Hunter, or not winner, sorry. The entries are Skin Hunter, Emma, Napoke, all these amazing donators, amazing donators, Monty Blanks, DJG. Once again, guys, I gotta thank you from the bottoms of my hearts. Chiwako, I have 10 minutes. Yeah, we're not gonna do the whole sketch today. We're just gonna find out who the winner is and then kind of think about the sketch a little bit. But I gotta thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Skin Hunter, Emma, Napoke, Monty Blanks, and DJG, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for donating. Thanks for making this stream more awesome than it already is. Thank you, guys. I seriously appreciate it. Let's do this, guys. Let's find out which one of these 5 awesome folks are going to win Donator Sketch. How many hearts do I have? I actually have 3 hearts. One here, and then one closer to my butt. Why did I say bottom of my hearts? I meant to. I did it on purpose. Alright, guys. Let's us do this. It's Donator Sketch giveaway! Here we go. Oh no! Cancel! 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 We got another one! Oh my gosh, Ince, thanks so much, Ince. Thank you for that donation. We're adding you right now while you have a shot. Ince, thank you so much. I'm appending you to this list. Thank you for that donation. Welcome and thank you. You are now entered in the Donator Sketch giveaway. Thanks so much. Donate quick! Let's do a Steam key giveaway while I'm at it. You're silly. You're silly. It's worth every penny! Yeah, guys, remember, if you donate now, you get a chance to win a sketch like this where I'll color it, whatever it is you want, with 1 or 2 characters. Here we go, guys. Let's find out. Donator Sketch giveaway. Here we go. Oh yeah, if you guys don't put your real name in the donation thing, I don't know who you are if you win. So let's see who wins. And the winner is going to be Napoke! Napoke, you are the winner, man! Thank you so much. Napoke, I'm just gonna do this just to be awesome. It's not really a timer, but I want to make sure that Napoke gets one of these. Napoke is freaking awesome. Rigged. Guys, even though Napoke won the sketch, I gotta give you guys seriously thank you to DJG, Emma, Ince, who's apparently Nordy Nizzle. Nordy Nizzle trying to creep us. Monty Blanks, Napoke, and Skin Hunter, guys. I gotta thank you again from the bottom of all my hearts, all 4 of my hearts. I gotta thank you guys so much, seriously. Thank you for joining today. Thank you for making today awesome. Thank you for being amazing fans of Quasi TV. I love you guys. And Napoke, a winner is me. Napoke, you are the winner, man. Where are you at? Where are you at? I haven't seen you for a little while, actually. Napoke! We want to know what you want me to draw, man. What do you want me to draw? Are you here? Let's see. Napoke is here. No worries, Nordy. No worries, man. I believe you. I believe you. Oh, Napoke is there. Napoke! What do you want, man? Congratulations. What do you want for your donator sketch? It can be anything up to 2 characters. It'll be flat colored with a simple background. Napoke is thinking, I know, he's like, maybe Goku, maybe a dragon with a tail between its legs, and it's also a bear, and remember, it could be fan art, it could be, I don't know, Naruto characters, or whatever fan thing you want. It could be a drawing of you, or a friend, or a family member, or a cat, or a dog. Oh my god, Steam Key Hype backwards! Steam Key Hype, thanks DJG, you are awesome, man. Two animal characters together on a bank, drinking coffee. Unite Gasai and Rias Gremory. What is a bank? Yuno Gasai. Napoke, what does a bank mean? Like a bank of water? I mean, I can't guarantee the background, but I could definitely do them drinking coffee. Bank is Dutch. Gotcha. Human body, fox head. What is a bank? I imagine he doesn't mean like sitting on top of an actual bank with money in it. Money Blank, see you, buddy. Thank you again. Thank you so much for being amazing. Thank you for that donation, man. I love you. I'll see you later. A couch. Okay. Sitting on a couch drinking coffee. That I can do. Sitting on a couch drinking coffee. I got really nervous on what a bank. I thought you meant like a bank of water. Alright, Napoke. We will draw for you. 2 enemy characters together on a couch drinking coffee the next time we do a sketch, man. Thank you so much for that donation, Napoke, and congratulations on your sketch, man. So what was it, Doorframe? Oh, Doorframe got the game. Sweet. What was the game, man? Yeah, I wrote it down. Yuno Gasai, and Rias Gremory. Yeah, no worries. And I'll be doing. I'll stream the art too, so you guys can see it while I do it. And I'll have to watch that anime, I guess, to get an idea for those characters. Guys, today was an awesome day. We started on the Game Over Arcade. We drew Yoda in a Speedo. Thief getting robbed by a treasure chest, which I know Napoke has wanted for a long time, and he won the cooldown, won the giveaway as well. And then, of course, we made awesome progress on our Star Wars pixel art, which was a ton of fun today. And Chewbacca's not looking that bad looking at it a second time. Some game called Alien Shooter. That's a 2003 game. Interesting. Cool. Alright, guys. How about a little bit of Skyhook? How about a little bit of Skyhook before we go? Shiwako, you dissing old games. Shots fired. What, Doorframe? What anime is it? I don't even know. Yuno Gasai, Future Diary. Future Diary is a series. It's a manga. Oh, it's a manga. Oh, it's an anime too, right? The anime is crazy violent. A lot of fan service. Okay, so I guess I'll just find some reference then. Alright guys, here we go. Let's play some Skyhook. I'm going to play along this time because I need to do some bug testing. So I'm going to invite you guys. So you guys can join in and I'm going to play against you. Alright, we got a whole bunch of people. We got Skin Hunter, Emma, Napoke, Mastronaut, or Mastronaut, Doorframe, Skin Hunter again, Matrad, DJG, Damage, Creator, Clole, the Pretender, a Simbi, Matrad, Barraged Rick, I miss a Minority, Daniel, starting a stream in 5, DJG,
Easy one. This'll be an easy one.
and Napoke. Nordy Nizzle, Shiwako, and RBS. I'm gonna go in as Grimlock.
Meat bags.
I'm gonna be Rain Jacket Grimlock. Yeah, don't forget, guys, I am going to be guest starring on Daniel's stream in about 5 minutes. Me and Daniel probably have to set up the whole Skype thingy. We'll figure that out. Oh, you know what I should have done? I'm going to restart this match. Hold on. One thing that you guys never get to see, because we're always playing Twitch Play Skyhook matches, is we never get to play a lot of Skyball. Let's do a little Skyball today. It's me and Nordy versus RBS and who's Shiwako, I think, is in? If you guys haven't seen Skyball before, it's a game mode where you fight. Yeah, Shiwako. It's a game mode where you have to use the ball. You have to throw a ball into a goal with your grappling hook. You can pass it to your teammates. There's 2 goals on either side. Pass it here, Nordy. Pass it. Ah, it got killed. You guys can vote for what power-ups we get. Oh, RBS scored a goal for the blue team. Right over me, too. I'll score a goal. No, RBS! God darn it. Take it, Nordy. Pass it back. Pass it back. Nice. Oh no, I'm stuck. Take it. Nordy missed a shot. Nice. Pick up the ball, Nordy. Pass it, pass it, pass it, pass it, pass it. Come on, this will be a sweet alley-oop. Dude! Intercepted. It was a weak pass. Oh, intercepted again. Damn, Shiwako take us both out. RBS for the winning goal. Well played, man. Shiwako and RBS win the match. Blue team wins. Alright. Got wrecked. I did get wrecked, man. I did get wrecked. Huh. It doesn't auto-cancel during a Skyball match, it seems. Write that down. Twitch plays doesn't auto-end match after a team match. Alright, guys. Nordy, you're bad, dude. Yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the show, don't forget to follow the channel. Thank you so much for supporting us and for getting us to over 1,000 followers. It's been insane. I think we hit over 1,100 followers today. Yep. No, we're 1,099, it looks like. Alright, guys, it is Friday, but we're doing a special thing. I'm going to be heading over to Daniel S&D's stream, so let's all head over there in a sec. Alright guys, I'm going to be heading over to guest star on twitch.tv/DanielSND. We're going to be working on an open source game together, so it's going to be a ton of fun. I'm going to be doing some art, Daniel's going to be doing all the code. Dorfman Lizard, thank you for hanging out, man. Thanks for being awesome. Thanks for making the stream better. Napoke, thank you, man. Thank you. And thank you for the donation, and congratulations on winning the donation sketch. 3par, what's up, man? Sorry you showed up just toward the end. Just and Shiwako, I have no idea what Tobu is. But guys, if you enjoyed the stream, please don't forget to hit the follow button. And I will see you guys on Monday. Well, actually, no, I will see you guys in 30 seconds over on Daniel's stream. Yeah, Twitch Plays with Zombies. We're posting all the code and all the art on GitHub, so you guys can use all the art and all the code that you want. Hey, Teleriver, what's up, man? Thanks for coming out. I'll see you guys on Daniel's stream, guys. If you guys are here right now, we're going to be raiding it and or heading over there peacefully. And our raid message is Skyhookers in the house today. Skyhookers in the house. RBS, thanks for the awesome idea, man. Thanks for the awesome idea. I will see you guys. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Skyhookers in the house. Trish was telling me he'll add the volcanoes. Yeah. Guys, we're going to head over there. I'm going to figure out how Daniel's possibly going to contact me. And I'm going to host him up right now. Hopefully he's live. Let me make sure he is. Boop-a-doo. I'm gonna host them up. I'm gonna head over there so you guys can see me over there, and my green screen will be actually be behind me so you can see what everything looks like. Daniel is live, guys. I will see you over on Daniel's channel. Let's all hang out over there together and work on a brand new game. See you guys there, man.